Introducing the Pick Sand Play System, the PSP, a door, any size, any shape, picked directly from a random pile. No sorting, no setup. The robot identifies a part, lifts it, and places it precisely onto the sanding table. AI instantly detects the door type, surface, and profile, and automatically selects the correct sanding recipe. No programming, no guesswork. The sanding runs with controlled force, perfect consistency, and repeatable results every time. Once complete, the door is placed back onto the output stack, ready for the next process. As the new year brings new developments, the PSP comes fully integrated, with no surprises. Single or dual robot configurations, no human involvement, just one compact, highly efficient system, always upgrading AI. Designed for real production floors, not a concept, not over-engineered, just an affordable, fully working robot built to pick, sand, and place repeat.